I'm just doing a quick video for the end of the love day and to say I've had an awesome day. I do actually have very wet, soggy feet where I was outside walking. So my feet are wet and soggy and I'm literally going to take them off, put them in a really lovely bath. But I just want to share something with you which I'm very proud of and excited about. This is 25 English pounds. Can you see? And that is my first paid hours workshop. Woohoo! For Fabulous Thinking. And it was to teach self-esteem using the tools of moving away from the negative chat in the head and to support and move forward and being able to choose our feelings, which is something really extraordinary and phenomenal when you are recovering from the trauma. And I'm sure everybody is aware of listening to the news today, what a hot topic this is, and we all need to talk about it, and nobody should be left to feel they should be silent. So this is the first £25 of value that I have been given for my experience and my sharing of this knowledge that I have to work with other people. So I am very proud of myself. So that's all I'm sharing. Hope Love Day has been fabulous for you. I feel love surrounding me, and I love you all, and thank you very much for your comments, and have a great sleep, everybody. I'm off to take off my soggy boots and put them in a hot, well, not my boots, put my feet in a lovely hot bath. Love you. Night night.